Eco dyeing is about reducing impact. It's not following one recipe. Eco dyeing refers to dyeing method that reduces water waste, chemical use, energy consumption, or waste compared to the other conventional dyes. Different techniques achieve different ways. We all know dyeing industry is one of the biggest polluter in the world. Traditional dyeing can consume large amounts of water, salt, energy and chemicals. If wastewater isn't treated properly, it can affect rivers, soils and local ecosystem. That's why dyeing industry has become the biggest focus in sustainable textiles. People were eco-dyeing long before the term existed. Natural dyes uses colors extracted from plant, natural resources, minerals instead of synthetic chemicals. It works practically better on silk, wool and all the other natural materials and often produce rich, unique colors that are connected to nature. It is very simple. Natural dyes includes all plant-based, animal-based, mineral-based dyes. However, in plant-based dyes, we only use bark, roots, stems, fruits to dye the material. There are three major low-impact dyes. One is reactive dye, which connects at the molecular level, and it is best for cotton, wool, silk, all of them. Then second comes the acid dyes, which is mostly designed for the protein-based fabrics like silk and wool. And third is azo-free dyes, which has lesser nitrogen-based compounds, which are harmful to the environment. Sometimes perfectly sustainable options are not always scalable. Natural dyes are beautiful, but low impact dyes, they provide longevity to the product. Low impact dyes is a better alternative to the conventional dyes as they uses lesser chemicals and they are also certified. So it is becoming popular among sustainable brands to use low impact dyes. Whenever we talk about eco print, we always say no two prints are identical, and I think that is the USP of this technique. Eco printing is a process where leaves and petals leave its color on the fabric with tight bundling process and the steaming process. It uses no harsh chemicals, it's entirely natural and has a sense of longevity. Azo-free dyes are one of the low-impact dyes. It eliminates all the nitrogen-based compounds which are linked to allergic reaction and health concerns. These dyes have a wide range of color palette which can be easily alternated to the conventional chemical dyes. Digital textile printing is considered one of the sustainable practices. In the digital printing process, the color is placed where it's required. So it uses less color, less water consumption, and it has greater design feasibility. Sustainable solutions still have practical challenges. Natural dyeing can have longer lead times, color matching can be difficult, certain method cost more, and some techniques require expensive equipment. So that is why brands often combine multiple approaches depending on their goals.